Hello students, very good morning to all of you. In last 4 videos, we studied about the introduction of respiration, definition of respiration, respiratory surface for gases exchange, and very important, human respiratory system. We studied in detail all organs of our respiratory system. Now we come to the next point of this chapter, mechanism of respiration. Means how actually respiration process takes place. म्हणजे नेमकी respiration process होते कशी, हा पॉइंट mechanism of respiration. Mechanism of respiration takes place in 4 steps. It includes 4 processes. In that, first, breathing, second, external respiration, third, internal respiration, and last one, cellular respiration. Whole respiration process takes place in these 4 processes or 4 steps. Students, now we start first processes in detail, that is breathing. Now we study in detail the first process of respiration, that is breathing. Breathing is a physical process in which gases exchange takes place between atmosphere and our lung. Do you understand what is the definition of breathing? आपण श्वास घेतो, श्वास सोडतो. But it is actually it is defined as breathing is a physical process in which gases exchange takes place between atmosphere and our lungs. It involves 2 main events or 2 main processes, that is inspiration and expiration. In simple, students, आपण श्वास आत घेतो, inspiration, आपण श्वास बाहेर सोडतो, expiration. Inspiration and expiration collectively called breathing. It involves inspiration as well as expiration. Both inspiration and expiration involves parts of our thoracic cage. This is the thoracic cage that we studied in 11th standard in the chapter skeleton. This thoracic cage consists, 12 thoracic vertebrae, breastbone, sternum, and muscles of diaphragm. These parts of thoracic cage are involved in inspiration and expiration. Get it, students? For the inspiration and expiration, parts of thoracic cage are involved are the ribs, 12 pairs of ribs, then sternum, the breastbone, flattened sternum, then intercostal muscles, the muscles which are present in between the ribs are intercostal muscles, and very important, the muscles of our diaphragm. All these parts of thoracic cage are involved in this process, that is inspiration and expiration. But by curiosity, how it is happen, how these 2 events occur in our body, how inspiration takes place, how expiration takes place, that we are going to study in detail inspiration and expiration. Now we study in detail inspiration. In the breathing, first event or first process is inspiration. What is inspiration? What is the definition of inspiration? Inspiration is a process in which air is taken inside the lung. ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये सिंपल श्वास घेणे असं म्हणतो. That is here inspiration. The inspiration is a process in which atmospheric air which contains oxygen taken inside the lung. Just I told you, in breathing, the parts of thoracic cavity are involved. The parts of thoracic cavity, that is the ribs, intercostal muscles, muscles of diaphragm and breastbone, sternum. These parts of thoracic cavity are involved in breathing, means inspiration and expiration. या दोन्ही प्रोसेस होत असताना या thoracic cage हे बॉडी पार्ट्स त्याच्यामध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व असतात. Now, what is the changes? What are the changes in these parts of thoracic cage during inspiration? Just see here, students. तुम्ही तुमच्या इथं छातीवरती हात ठेवा आणि एक दीर्घ श्वास घ्या. What changes do you feel? काही बदल तुम्हाला जाणवले? Yes. Those changes we are going to study in here, inspiration. During inspiration, our diaphragm, see here, this diaphragm is contract. When we inspire, we inhale the air. ज्या वेळेला हवा आपण आतमध्ये घेतोय त्यावेळेला हा डायफ्रॅम रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स मध्ये आपण the diaphragm is present at the lower side of our respiratory system which separates our abdominal cavity and thoracic cavity. The muscles of diaphragm are contract during inspiration. Then what is the condition of ribs? There are 12 pairs of ribs. इन्स्पायरेशन करत असताना त्यांच्यामध्ये काय चेंज असतो? द रीब्स आर पुल्ड आउटवर्ड. या ज्या रीब्स आहेत त्या बाहेरच्या दिशेनं, these ribs are pulled outward. बाहेरच्या बाजूने त्या ओढल्या जातात. The ribs are pulled outwards. Then what is condition of sternum? The breastbone. Here is the breastbone. This sternum is raised at the time of inspiration. ज्या वेळेला आपण इन्स्पायरेशन करतो, इनहेल करतो एअर, त्यावेळेला हे sternum वरती उचललं जातं. The sternum is raised. Then see, what is the condition in whole thoracic cavity? The space in thoracic cavity increases at the time of inspiration. That line, the pressure in lungs. इथे ज्या या दोन बाजूला दोन लंग्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये जे प्रेशर आहे, that pressure in lung decreases, but volume of lung increases at the time of inspiration. These two things are very important during inspiration. Inspiration आपण ज्या वेळेला करत असतो त्यावेळेला लंग्स मधलं प्रेशर डिक्रीज होतं, पण लंग्स मधला व्हॉल्यूम हा काय होतो? इन्क्रीज होतो. Then next, inspiration is an active process. Why it is called an active process? Inspiration is an active process. का म्हणतात त्याला active process? Because during inspiration we use our मेटाबॉलिक एनर्जी. हे इन्स्पायरेशन करण्यासाठी आपण इनहेल करण्यासाठी आपल्याला शरीराची स्वतःची एनर्जी खर्च करावी लागते. अशा ज्या काही प्रोसेसेस आहेत ऑर्गॅनिझम्स मध्ये की ज्यांना एखादी ऍक्टिव्हिटी एखादी प्रोसेस पूर्ण करण्यासाठी स्वतःची एनर्जी खर्च करावी लागते, त्या प्रोसेसना ऍक्टिव्ह प्रोसेस असं म्हणतात. अँड इन्स्पायरेशन इज ऑल्सो ऍक्टिव्ह प्रोसेस बिकॉज इट यूज अवर मेटाबॉलिक एनर्जी. नाउ सी अगेन inspiration, what changes are taking place in the parts of thoracic cavity. Diaphragm contracts, intercostal muscles contract, ribs pulled outward, sternum raised up, space in thoracic cavity increases, space in thoracic cavity increases, pressure in lungs decreases, but volume of lung increases. To equalize the low pressure in the lungs, just we see here, pressure in lungs at the time of inspiration decreases. To equalize the low pressure in lungs, atmospheric air rushes into the lungs. जे lungs मध्ये प्रेशर कमी झालेलं असतं ते प्रेशर इक्वलाइज करण्यासाठी ऍटमॉस्फेरिक एअर आपण काय करतो आतमध्ये घेतो आणि ते प्रेशर इक्वलाइज करतो. दिस इज द इन्स्पायरेशन, द फर्स्ट इव्हेंट इन or the first process in breathing. Now the second process of breathing is expiration. Study the second process or second event in the breathing, that is the expiration. What is expiration? The expiration is the process in which air containing carbon dioxide and water vapor is expelled out. जर आपण उच्छ्वास असं म्हणतो, श्वास बाहेर सोडणं असं म्हणतो, म्हणजे कार्बन डायऑक्साइड आणि वॉटर वेपर्स असणारी हवा ज्या वेळेला आपण बाहेर टाकतो, शरीराच्या बाहेर टाकतो, त्यावेळेला त्या प्रोसेसला काय म्हणायचं? एक्सपायरेशन. व्हॉट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एक्सपायरेशन? द प्रोसेस in which air containing CO2 and water vapor is expelled out of the body. Just like inspiration, in expiration there are changes in the parts of our thoracic cage, that is ribs, intercostal muscles, sternum and muscles of diaphragm. Now look here. Diaphragm. What is the condition of diaphragm during expiration? The diaphragm is relaxed, dome-shaped. It is in its original position. Dome-shaped diaphragm. That diaphragm during inspiration is a contract, become flat. But in expiration, when we expel the air out, this diaphragm becomes relaxed and dome-shaped. Then, what is about the ribs? Ribs are pulled inward. या ज्या ribs आहेत त्या आतमध्ये ओढल्या जातात. Then, what is about the sternum? The sternum, which is raised during inspiration, inspirationच्या वेळेला वरती गेलेलं असतं. That sternum is lowered at the time of expiration. See here, during expiration, sternum is lowered. What is the condition in thoracic cavity? The space in thoracic cavity decreases while expiration. ज्या वेळेला आपण हवा बाहेर सोडतो त्यावेळेला या thoracic cavity मधली ही जी स्पेस आहे ती काय होते? कमी होते. Then pressure in lungs at the time of expiration is increases while volume of lung is decreases at the time of expiration. And inspiration is active process, but expiration is a passive process. Why it is called a passive process? Do you tell you? No. Inspiration active, expiration passive. मगाशी मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं ऍक्टिव्ह प्रोसेस इन्स्पायरेशनला का म्हणतात तर शरीराची ऊर्जा वापरली जाते. पण एक्सपायरेशन ही पॅसिव्ह प्रोसेस आहे, कारण या प्रोसेससाठी आपल्याला आपल्या शरीराची स्वतःची एनर्जी वापरावी लागत नाही. Thus, the expiration is a passive process. Means one breathing includes one expiration and one expiration. ज्या वेळेला एकदा आपण इन्स्पायरेशन करतो आणि एकदा एक्सपायरेशन करतो त्यावेळेला एक वेळा ब्रीदिंग झालं असं म्हणतो. Now see the difference between the inspiration and expiration. समजा जर 2 मार्काला तुम्हाला प्रश्न बोर्ड स्टेट बोर्ड मध्ये आला की डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन इन्स्पायरेशन अँड एक्सपायरेशन, तर किमान 4 करेक्ट पॉइंट्स तुम्हाला लिहावे लागतील. मी डिफरन्स सांगतो. फर्स्ट द डेफिनेशन, इन्स्पायरेशन टेकिंग एअर इनसाइड द बॉडी, एक्सपायरेशन air containing CO2 and water vapor is expelled out. Diaphragm in inspiration contract, while diaphragm in expiration relax. Intercostal muscles during inspiration contract, during expiration relax. Ribs during inspiration pulled outward, during expiration pulled inward. Sternum at the time of inspiration, sternum raised, while during expiration it is lower. The space in thoracic cavity increases during inspiration, but during expiration space in thoracic cavity decreases. The pressure in lungs at the time of inspiration decreases, but at the time of expiration, pressure in lung increases. The volume of lung in inspiration is increases, but at the time of expiration it is decreases. And last differentiating point: inspiration is an active process, while expiration is a passive process. Both these processes, inspiration and expiration, comprises breathing, the first process in mechanism of respiration. Now we are going to study the second step or the second process of mechanism of respiration, that is external respiration.